Hi, this is John with WTI. And if you want to be the night, if you want to be in the outgoing to the past occasions, special occasions, and you want to be the first person that they go around, they say, you smell good. What are you wearing? This fragrance from Carolina Herrera 212 BIP Black is a great, great smell. So this is your typical going out at night fragrance. And something that helps that is this vanilla note. You would find and you will see vanilla at the moment you spray this on. So the notes of this fragrance is just what makes it everything. The vanilla, the licorice, the feeling that you're going out and it just feels great when people are getting close to you and it just projects. This fragrance has its own personality and goes to different places and goes into the nose of the other people. And if you're in a closed place where the air is not circulating as much, this is the fragrance that is gonna be the hardest and the strongest. Great projection, great sillage, lots of compliments. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.